What's up, team? Fullest, this is again Amy. Looking back. So today I want to show you guys how I wash my wig. So normally I don't always wash my wig. Most time I do as well. It depends on the wig. If the wig have like certain type of smell, because sometimes when you got certain wig, the smell is just so strong that you cannot wear that wig like that. You have to wash it. So if, for example, I decide to wash my wig, I've made a video on my channel showing you guys how I wash my wig. That's an old video. I thought let me come back again and show you guys again how I do. So I got this wig from AliExpress. This is 30 inches. This is 250 density. This hair is very, very thick. It's a curly black wig. I do have another curly black wig, but this one is thick and it's big. So I'm going to show you guys how I wash it. I haven't actually wear this wig yet. As you guys can see, the lace is still there, but I really want to wash it just because the hair is super thick. So for example, this is just the water. I just put the wig in the water. I haven't put any soap, anything at all. It's just lukewarm water. You guys can see the color of the water has changed. That is because the wig is kind of dirty, and it also have this smell, this factory smell that I just don't like. And especially sometimes with curly wig, because you're going to add some products in it. You're going to add some hair mousse. You're going to add some other curly hair products into the wig. Sometimes it can mix along with the smell of the wig and can give it a terrible smell. I've experienced it once with the other curly wig I have. When I first got it, I just put it on like that, put on some curly hair product, and the smell was just, I couldn't go out of the house. I just had to take it out, wash it, and before ever I could wear it. So as you guys can see, I just soak the hair with water. This hair is pretty thick. When you soak the hair with water, it gets really soft, and I really like it. You guys can see I haven't put in any soap. This is just the water. So this is a personal choice. You can choose to use shampoo if you want to. I personally just like to use conditioner for my wig. You can use any conditioner of your choice. You don't have to use this particular brand. This is what I have right now in my bathroom, so this is what I'm going to be using. So what I like to do, I just like to take my conditioner, just some few pump. I use a lot of products sometimes, so whatever you feel like is enough for you, how minimum you want to use it, go ahead. I am just doing me, so you do you. So I just like to take the conditioner and I like to put it on the hair. The reason why I love this conditioner has like a minty smell, and I love it. It has that minty, okay. It has that minty smell. It has that fresh smell, and I just love that fresh smell. I love it. So that's the reason why I love using this conditioner. I picked this conditioner up at the TK Maxx. If you live in Holland, it's quite, you can get it in the African hair store in Holland, or you can look on the internet. It's quite an expensive conditioner, but I picked it up at the TK Maxx. I was at the TK Maxx and I saw it with the shampoo. So I picked one bottle of the shampoo and I picked two of the conditioner because I use conditioner a lot. I don't really use a lot of shampoo on my hair, but I use a lot of conditioner on my hair. Also for the kids' hair, I don't use like too much shampoo. I use mostly conditioner. I do mostly co-wash with conditioner instead of using shampoo. I just don't like shampoo. I don't like to use shampoo on hairs. Only for example, if the hair is really extremely dirty, then I will use shampoo. But for this one, I feel like it don't need shampoo. I would like to do finger detangle. So I just like to take my finger and just go through like this with the hair. And then I'll also, some people will say, oh, you don't brush it, just leave it like that. But because this hair is very thick and it's a curly hair, I want to make sure when I have it on my head, it's also like very easy to manipulate. So I really want to detangle it very nicely. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the conditioner and pour it on the brush, because that one will make it more easier. Normally they always will not advise you to comb the hair, but don't force it. If for example you are brushing it, you find like a knot, do not force it like this, just go gentle. I've already finger detangled it, so that's the reason why it's like very easy. And also using conditioner also helps it more easier. I like to start from the top and I just brush it down. So I haven't used it yet, so I don't know how much shed, but we'll see when I'm done brushing it. We'll see how much of the hair is going to shed on the brush. But so far I'm just brushing it because I want it to get rid of any excess hair that is already, you know, sometimes when they make this hair on the factories, you also have some strands of wig that are not going to stay on the wig, that they're going to fall out. So sometimes when you brush it, sometimes you have the hair coming out and it will look like the hair is shedding too much, but actually it's not, because the hair is freshly made from the factory. So it has all of this shedding stuff just hanging in there. So yeah, so don't get like scared when you buy a wig and then you like comb it the first day, especially when it's just brand new wig from the factory, they haven't touched anything. Don't be scared when you buy it and be like, oh, it's shedding so much. Sometimes it's just the hair is just there and it needs to come out. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to lock this so I don't get this thing stuck with wig in it. See how crazy the water look. So now let's just, let me take all the hair from this thing and see how much shedding I have. Hey, that's how much. Let me take a brush. Just like to take everything out, because sometimes when you don't do this, like the hair stucks in, and I find it, even though yeah I'm the one that's using it, but sometimes when maybe you have visitor and the person like, can I have your hairbrush, and the brush it has hair on the bottom, I just find it to be very gross and disgusting. So that's why I always like to do this whenever I'm done with using this particular brush. And also the other ones, just like to take this comb and just go in between and get rid of all the excess hair that is stuck in it. Yeah, I'm not going to get all the hair off. One thing, whenever I do hair in the bathroom, I have to make sure I get all the hair off, because if you have kids, my kids can be sometimes very, very crazy. They're like, Mom, there's hair. It's ew. Especially the little one. So I always make sure I'm cleaning, get rid of all the hair. Like there's no hair in here, because sometimes those children can get on your nerves. So this is how much hair we have. This is how much hair I have shed. So now I'm going to rinse it once more again. I'm just going to lukewarm water, not too warm, not too cold, just in between. Okay, now I'm just going to rinse it. I'm not going to comb it or brush it anymore. I'm just going to rinse it. Okay, the water is too hot. I'm not going to put any product anymore. If you want, you can put another conditioner and just wash it again if you want to. But I feel like that was okay for me. I just needed to get that factory smell of the hair. Now, you see, the water looks much more better than the first wash. So, and you also have this elastic band, so it's easy for you to just hang this in the bathroom like this. But first, let's rinse everything. Let's just rinse everything. So now I'm just going to hang it in the shower like this. I'll show you guys in a moment. I just want to clear this. So this is how you wash your wig. If it's a straight wig, you don't need to comb it or brush it. You can just wash it, just use your finger to detangle it. And then yeah. But if it's a curly wig and this one is very, very thick, 250 density, that's a lot of hair. I'm even scared to put the hair on because of how thick it is. So guys, this is how much hair we have. This is how much hair we have shedding. So now let me show you guys how you're going to put the hair to dry. I'm just hanging it in my bathroom because yeah, that's the only space I have in this place where I put my wig. So this is what you're going to do. You're just gonna hang it like this and allow the water to drain. So this is what I would do. I'll just leave it like this to hang and allow the water to just run out, and then when it's ready you can go ahead and use your wig. Yeah, so this is how I washed and my wig. Hope you all like this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support, and heel erg bedankt voor je liefde en ondersteuning. Hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. Peace out. Doeg!